Good evening, friends, and welcome back to Mickey Makes Meals. I'm your meal maker, Mickey, and for today's meal, I'm making my world-famous, Mick's Marvelous Tortilla Soup. Let's get started. First, dice some jalapeno and onion, then add them to a large cooking pot, along with some garlic. Sauté with some oil. Next, add 4 cups chicken broth, along with a can of tomato soup, 1 can rotel, and 1 can diced tomato. Now here's the fun part, friends. Let's get 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Combine them all in the pot, along with 3/4 cup of water. After you've combined all your ingredients, give it a nice stir and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add 1 shredded cooked chicken. Reduce heat, stir, cover, and simmer for about 50 minutes with the occasional stir. When finished, cut some corn tortillas in strips. Then add them to the pot and bring along a can of corn with those strips. Then let's cover and simmer another 10 minutes. When you hear that timer, go ahead and remove the pot from the heat, uncover, and let cool for about 5 minutes. When you're ready to eat, I like to garnish my soup with some avocado slices and a little mozzarella. There you have it, my world-famous Mick's Marvelous Tortilla Soup. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all things Mickey. Until then, I'll see you next week for another episode of Mickey Makes Meals. Just enjoy.